You got to see what was done above the garage. We have made our way to the eagle's nest. See, that's what's great about being along a lake, is all the wildlife that it attracts. There are so many eagles that are flying around, and that was why this is a very appropriate name for this space. These windows, of course, like the other bedroom windows, have those integrated blinds. That's really wonderful. There is not a bad view in this house. A king-size bed. What a really good use of this space. We're even able to incorporate, see, you've got very unique ceiling planes. So we're able to incorporate a closet in here. Custom height door, so that's of course shorter than normal doors, but we still have this finished off very nicely, and that light automatically came on when I opened the door. And when you're in this space, you also have your own bathroom. What a beautiful bathroom it is, with a beautiful tile surround on that shower, a really big vanity. Continue with the custom mirrors. I think this is an awesome example of how cool Golden Eagle's products are. Look how unique that hewing is. We've got a really nice looking band board continuing through. Now you of course don't have to have timbers in your home, and oftentimes an accessory space like this, where it's not used all the time, this is a good way to go with more ordinary finishes. But on this home, everything is done so well. And there are some surprises just around the corner. I gotta show you this. This is a bonus storage room. So while a lot of homes don't utilize this space, we like to do it on ours. And the homeowners took it to a whole new level with this lift that they've incorporated into the floor system. This allows us to bring up and down all the seasonal decorations as well as totes. Let's head downstairs to the garage. There's a lot to show you down there. You're gonna see how easy it is to operate. We have featured lifts in previous home tours, but we've never featured one like this where it completely disappears into that upper storage space. With the flip of a switch here, we're able to easily bring it down. You hear how quiet that is? That's just amazing. Think about the convenience of this storage lift. No more carrying bulky things up the stairs. You can even fit furniture on here. That's just wonderful. And to easily put it on, these bars are removable on each side of the unit. This is an extra large garage. Take a look at the fishing boat. Got the side-by-side right here. And there are 3 doors, one being an extra large one. And then just over here, we're able to drive all the way through. Nobody thinks about this, but you've got the boat docked all summer. And of course it needs to get refueled. So rather than carrying down those heavy 5-gallon gas cans, you can now put them in the side-by-side and drive them right down there. That is great foresight. And even if you do have someone who has some limited mobility, they can hitch a ride on the side-by-side as well and easily get down to the boat and enjoy the beautiful fall day just like we are today.